Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain the basic restaurant management system functionalities and will also demo the application at the end of the video. So let's get started. I will be giving an overview of my project, the restaurant management system. So this is a desktop-based application built to simplify restaurant operations like ordering management, billing, and menu control. Now, let us discuss about the tools and technologies which I have used for building this application. I built this application using Electron framework, which allows developers to create desktop applications using web technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Electron works by combining Chromium, which handles the user interface, and Node.js, which powers the backend logic. For development, I have used an IDE called VS Code. The app was then packaged into an XEE file using Electron Builder so it can run on any Windows computer without needing a browser. The restaurant management system helps managing key restaurant activities efficiently. It allows user to take customer orders, manage the menu, calculate bills, and view order history, all within one desktop application. The goal is to make restaurant management faster and more organized by providing a digital interface instead of manually recording keeping. When the application starts, it opens the main dashboard where you can see the tables, menu items, and billing. The interface is user-friendly and responsive since it's built with web technologies. The app internally uses JavaScript logic for processing operations, and data is handled either logically or through a lightweight database like SQLite. All these files are bundled inside the app.sar file, which contains the complete source code for the project. Some of the key features includes order management, billing automation, and an easy-to-use menu control system. This app can also connect with a printer to print the receipts for the customers. The app keeps the process fast and efficient. Once the development was completed, I packaged the project into a web or Windows executable using Electron Builder. This created the main file RMS Restaurant Management System XCE, which runs the entire app just like any native software's. In which you can see the total sales per day. You can see all the tables which are in their restaurant. This is my restaurant symbol. Now let me start with adding a table. For example, I have 11 tables now in the restaurant. So I can click on the Manage Tables option and add a table here. So now you can see that my table number 11 has added. Right now, all the tables are showing vacant and a green light because all the tables I have not entered anything. For an example, I want to add a table information on table 3. So by clicking on table 3, it will give me current order and menu option. So for now, I haven't added anything. So it is not showing me any orders here. Now, as soon as I click on menu option, it will show me the entire menu for the restaurant. For example, I want to add this item and a fries and a garlic stick. Now my current order will show me what I have added. If I want to double the quantity, I can click in here and double the quantities as well. By clicking on Complete Order, that order will be placed for table number 3. So now my total sales are increased. For an example, if I want to show that the table is acquired, I can click on the menu and add some item and close the thing. It will show me the table is engaged, which means there are people sitting on the table. Now, for an example, if I want to print the receipt for a customer, so I need to go on the table, complete the order. For an example, I want to use the card payment. So this is the receipt. And if I click on the print option, it will show me the print, which printer I am looking for. And it will show me what printer to choose for printing the receipt. For an example, if I click here and add some items and go for the cash payment option, it will say the payment was made by cash. Here is the date and the time, which is when the receipt was printed. Now, if I want to edit my menu, here is the menu tab, in which here are the categories. By clicking on this arrow, it will show me all the subcategories and the prices of the menu. For editing the menu, I can click on the Edit menu option and add a category, change the pricings, change the names, or delete the entire subcategory as well. For example, I want to add a category named Pizza. You can see there are new categories added here. For example, I can add pizza here. So this is how I created a category, and I can add the dishes. For an example, for cheese pizza. And for example, I'm selling it for 150 rupees. As soon as I click Save Changes, now you can see in the menu, there will be an option called Pizza, in which 4 cheese pizza are 149. So this is how you can edit the menu, and this is our home screen. So that was all about my application. Summary: this restaurant management system provides a smooth, desktop-based solution for managing restaurants' operations using modern web technologies packaged with Electron. That was all about my desktop application. If you are also interested in making your own applications, start by making it by using the tutorials which are available on Android Developer site. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.